I was filming an unboxing, like little TikTok of my phone and my dad's new iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I also haven't made a YouTube video in quite some time, so I figured this is very low effort, kind of vloggy-esque type video. First of all, Zagg's new installation process for screen protectors, crazy. I just did my dad's, and essentially you like put it face down in here, and then there was a pull tab, and I like put this on top and you just pull it and then it just installs it for you. And I thought that that was pretty wild. I don't have this screen protector. I have the Dbrand, by the way, old iPhone. I think this is my mom's old iPhone 4S. I keep it because I used to have a 4S. I had the black one. I don't know where it is anymore. I think I probably traded it in when I got my 6 in high school. Dbrand screen protector. So I'm gonna do my screen protector now. I need a knife. So I figured I'd just hop on here and talk, because I kind of need to start getting to the habit of just posting videos in general. They don't need to be perfect. And I think sometimes I get overwhelmed by the whole getting in front of a camera and talking thing. So, oh God, Dbrand can be scary sometimes. Oh, it comes with 2 screen protectors. Okay, that's right, duh. Scan for instructions. We will scan for instructions because I don't want to make a mistake. They say that you can do this blind, so I'm hoping it's true.
If you just got your Dbrand Prism 2.0, relax. This is going to be easy.
By the way, picking up the phone feels good. I got silver, and I think it looks... Go away. Face, go away. Look at that. That looks great. My dad got the orange one. That one also looks really good. Look at that. Almost kind of looks like copper. All right, phone's off. My last video I did was the Switch 2 unboxing, and it did not do well at all. I think it got a total of 116 views, which is not a lot at all. I was expecting at least like 5,000 views, or at least 1,000, because that's where my videos almost average. I only had one video that really popped off, my first Steam Deck video, and I was kind of hoping that the Switch 2 would kind of do that again, but it did not. So I will probably be doing another Switch 2 video at some point, because I've accumulated some accessories that I really, really like. So I would definitely like to talk about that and what I got. But for the time being, I just want to start posting videos, just to post videos, just get in that whole habit, because that's a thing you need to do. Okay, screen is cleaned.
At this point, your screen should be spotless.
So I think my favorite thing for this phone is the front camera. It going to 18 megapixels, yes, that's fantastic. I've been using like Snapchat or just like FaceTiming, and I can already tell that everything just looks crisper and it looks good, even in like low light or with the flash, the selfies look good. But this whole thing where you can just swap the aspect ratio without having to move your phone or tilting it, like that I can't get over. And this actually looks so good right now, even like as is. I'm not using the back camera, I'm using front facing camera right now. And this actually kind of makes me want to just use this instead of my camera that I've spent like a decent amount of money on and with a decent lens. Like it still has autofocus as well. So like this is really good for content creation for like small creators or just making silly little TikToks and stuff. And then the other thing too was that I got the new AirPods Pro. And from what I remember is that they told us in the presentation that these have a microphone that is a lot better now. I had to jump into the Blackmagic Cam app to use my AirPods because I think the Apple camera itself was not picking up on it. It was just using my default phone microphone. So that's why it doesn't look the same as the other camera or the other video. But this is what it sounds like. It still sounds like crunchy, but it sounds better than what the other AirPods used to be. So I don't know if you guys can hear that. There was a dog that just barked. But these sound okay. I think they're good for TikToks. I wouldn't use them for YouTube though. Oh, there's like a little bubble that I have. I guess, I mean, that's really it. There's not much else to say. It's just kind of me talking and doing this. So I don't even know if I'm gonna post this. I should post it. I should, because that's what I'm
that's what I should do. I should post it. So I think we're gonna post it. I really like this whole two-tone design. That's pretty. That's a pretty orange. Come on, that looks good. I didn't think I was gonna like the orange, but I really like it a lot. I don't think it's still my color. I still like silver a lot, but this is really pretty. Oh, you know what? I also got my new AirPod Pros. Might as well unbox them. They're not gonna look that different. Oh, I got my ear tips that come with it. They're not gonna look that different. I know I'm not supposed to. Son of a. It's me on there. Hello. Now I'm sticking my tongue out on this one. The other one is just me winking. This one's me sticking my tongue out.
I haven't really tested out any of the other like really cool stuff that the AirPods Pro can do, like the live translation or any of that. But I will say, I was listening to some music last night and I've been using transparency mode while watching TV with my parents and then also editing my iPhone unboxing video. And the transparency mode is really good. I'm using it right now too. It just beats the last pair. And everyone used to talk so highly about the AirPods Pro 2 transparency. And I was like, yeah, it's fine, but you still feel it in your ears. Everything just sounds very natural. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like at the gym, because I think the gym, I have the hardest time hearing people if I am talking to them with transparency mode on.
That's it. I'm gonna set up my phone. Oh God, I really zoomed in, hold on. Hi, hello. I'm gonna set up my phone, I'm gonna set up my dad's phone, and then I'm gonna set these bad boys up and listen to some music. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. I actually have videos planned, and I just haven't done anything with those plans, so most likely it'll be a Switch video. All right, peace. Bye, friends.